Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Google Chromecast 4.0 with your Android smartphone so that you can cast YouTube or any other videos from almost any app. And to do this, here I have my smartphone and here's the Google Chromecast setup. You can check my previous video on how I've set up this specific device. And now there's one thing that we need to make sure of, and that is to connect to the same network with your Google Chromecast and with your phone. So here I have the Wi-Fi 5G band, which is the same network as on this Chromecast, so I'm going to show you here as well. And let's go for all available networks and use 5G one connect. Let's wait till the connection is successful. And right here we can go and let's go with YouTube. So I'm gonna open YouTube and some video. So here's the video. Now in any player, or because I'm using YouTube obviously, but you can use this option in almost any available player on the internet. You should see this Chromecast icon. It looks like this, so click on it, choose the device you'll be casting to, and in this case it's dining room TV. And now the screen from my phone, in this case this YouTube video, should be shared and we can play it. You can adjust the volume with your phone or with a remote, whatever you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.